What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kentner here if you're dropping in for the first time. Today we got Adam's C8. I think he's only had it for like 3 days. We are going to take the wheels off of it, and he's getting them powder coated. And drop a comment below of what color you think he's going to go with. Black car, a lot of good combos. I put in my recommendation. I don't know if he's going to go with that, but the C8 does look good in black. I thought the white one really popped, but I don't know, this black is just something else. If you've never seen a C8 key, this is what it looks like. And I want to show you the best feature on it. Headphone users warning. Yep, best feature. Just hit that button twice. And there's your cold start on a 2020 C8. But yeah, we will be taking the wheels off this and taking them to his powder coater. Or I think they're going to stop by and get them, which is even better. Alright, YouTube, just wanted to give you an update on Adam's little project. Like I said, drop a comment below of what you think he's going to change the wheel color to, or what's your recommendation on a black car, what would look good. So on our poll yesterday on YouTube, you wanted more STI content, so I'm just going to give you what we got in the shop, which we actually got like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 500 wheel horsepower STIs in the shop right now. So we're going to walk around. I'll kind of tell you their setups and go over them with you. Just kind of give y'all guys a little bit more content on the STIs. And then I think this weekend I'm going to try to work on finishing up the GT-R. Big orange over there. Get it back on the road, get everything buttoned up with the injectors, the new manifold, well, not really new, but powder coated manifold, and then go from there. So alright guys, this is a 2005 STI. Originally only has like 28,000 miles on it. Super clean. It's running a precision 6262, and it's a 2.5 closed deck IAG block on about 30 pounds of boost. Made 541 to the tire. Alright, and then moving on, this is a 2017 STI. It has an all-wheel drive tuning, stage 3 closed deck block, and then it's got a rotated pairing kit with a 3071 on it, and it's making about I think it was like 509 even on the 85, but it's not on kill. We're just gonna let him get used to this and see what else we can get out of it, because we can push it a little harder. But the hood was closed. This is my wife's car. It's an out front closed deck. and it has a stock location 3071 on the ID 1300s, and it made right at 450 to the tire on about 26 pounds. This is Will Brown's car. It's also rotated on a 35R, and on 93 it made 440. And the wife's car made on 93 made 445 too, so on the 85 it would easily make over 500 wheel. Dun, dun, dun. Alright guys, drop a comment below on what color you think Adam's going to go with his wheels. Put your suggestions down here, and let's see what ends up happening. I'm kind of excited. Like I said, he's only had the car for a few days, and we wanted to give y'all a little STI content too that y'all been asking for. As soon as we get the GT-R finished, I'm probably going to start more focused back on Betty White and trying to get the big turbo set up on it, and it's got everything else, so just that and the front mount. And I'm gonna hopefully get the clutch back from Exceedy, and then we'll have the clutch, everything, and then it's full send from there. And we'll try to get more STI content. I know on the poll, y'all guys voted STI content over everything, so we'll get back to doing what we started out doing. And what do y'all think about the C8? Drop a comment below. As soon as he gets the wheels back, I'm gonna do a more in-depth go around and probably go for a drive. So hit that subscribe button, give us a like if you like what you've seen in this video, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.